Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Dalis, also known as Stamper Girl for Cat Scrappiness, and today I am working with this cute little new release. This one is called Easter Bunny Trio. You get 3 different sizes of the bunny with the little cottontails. They are really good size. So this is, let me compare it against an A2 size. See, you can fit them, even the large one, fit him 3 times. What I am going to be doing today is I might use some of this Bunny Hop 6x6 double-sided premium. I for sure will use one of these glitter mousses. I have pink gold, I have bronze, and I have rainbow. I also have the acrylic structural gel crystal pearls, which I might use on the tails. This one is a little bit different. This one is glittery. This one has literally like tiny little beads inside. I am going to start by cutting my cardstock paper. This is really thin, thick cardstock. This is 110 accent opaque white. And I am going to just cut a little piece that I will later use for my, I'm going to put this at 5 inches. And then I'm going to do a 5x5. Okay. The smaller one and we'll use for the tails. This larger one, I'm going to be using it for the bodies of the bunnies. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a background. Okay. So I am using some color wash. You can use any of the inks that you have at home. You could do your own ink pads. So I am adding that, and I'm going to add some water. Like I believe this is butterscotch. Yep, butterscotch. And I am going, let's see. I feel like doing a little bit of ink smooshing. What do you guys think? So for ink smooshing, what you need is like any type of like plastic. So it could be like this one is just the cover of a stamp. I'm like gonna come in here and just smoosh, and I'm gonna smoosh, 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 and you can smoosh it both ways. But this is looking really cute, and I am thinking maybe I can add some of that bronze mousse into this. I'm opening this, grab my palette knife, and just picking up some. I have quite a nice amount, as you can tell. I'll put it there. Remember, this does have a little bit of a glue, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to try to see if I can mix this. It's going to get a little bit milky because like I just said, this has some glue. This is not going to be as transparent as it was before. Okay. Okay. So it looks a lot different. So this definitely has have now more of an opaque look. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and let's see if we can pick up some of the glitter. And just apply it. Oh, looks awesome. Oh my God. I love it. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm being quite strong because I want a little bit of, oh my god, can you guys see it? Yee, this is so much fun. I don't want to miss any of this. So I'm bringing back my palette knife. I'm going to collect everything that I can right here in one location so you can see. And I'm going to grab it. And I'm going to smush it. I'm going to let it go. Grab it and okay. Oh, this is so pretty. You know how much I love a good freebie. Let's look at our panels so far. This is our freebie. This was the extra leftover. And this is our panel where we are going to cut our bunnies from. So here is our background dried up. I hope you can see all of that glitter. Beautiful glitter. Look at that. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And this is our second freebie background, our twofer. So I got 3 dies. I am not going to use all 3 dies in the same card, but I am going to cut all 3 dies. Okay. So I'm going to place that one there. I want to do 2 bunnies. So I'm going to place one here, and I'm going to cut one like this, and then I'm going to cut one like this. The reason is because I want them facing the different way. You guys will see it. Let me get some washi tape. I will tape all these and cut them out. If you have never played with the acrylic structure gel, it's quite a different consistency than the mousse. So I just want to make you aware of that. Let me show you. See how it's liquidy? So it's not mixed, and then there's the other. So you need to really mix it in before you use it, okay? I need to make sure that you mix it nice. I'm gonna make sure a little bit of liquid that it's there goes back in, and I do not have any of that liquidy look. See, now it's more, see how everything is pulled together. Can I wrap a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it on top of some of these guys. I'm putting it quite heavily, but you don't have to make it. I'm gonna let it dry. This is gonna take a while, so let it dry. Don't mess with it. Come back later. Have our bunnies ready. So let's glue these guys down. Let me show you what they look like after they have dried out. With the little micro beads. They're super glittery. So I have both the messy stitch ovals and the double stitch oval. This is such a delicate look, so I am thinking the double stitch one. See, look at these. They're both by Scrappiness. Love these guys. I come back to them over and over and over. See, this is too small. This might be, oh, this might be a little too small. Let me see the next size. Oh, that is perfect. Look at that. Yes, that is perfect. So let's try that. We're gonna put it right here in the middle. Make sure we got flowers everywhere. And oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. I can see how this is gonna be super adorable. Let me die cut it and bring it back. I am using the Crafty Flocos and I believe it's called Heart Starburst, but I will make sure I link everything in my description below. They're all by Scrappiness. I am gonna be using Simple Sentiments Valentine. It's quite a cool set. So it's one big stamp set, as you can see. So we got a bunch of sentiments. These ones are all related. Stardust by Concord and Night. On those two, and you line up those crosses, and if you line them up and you see that they don't line up, means you have it upside down. So there's two things: you can either do that every single time, and you can mark what is the top with a Sharpie.
Thanks so much for joining me in creating this card. Here is the finished and completed card. To see my second card, you can join me at my YouTube channel at Stamper Girl. And I hope you give it a look and check out the products that I have linked down below.